Okay. Press underground. Vamos. Let's go. Tan linda la nena. Y te vas. Where are we going? A la calle. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have money? Do you have money? Yeah? Okay. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. Wait. Let's go this way. Make sure there's no car coming. Okay? All right, let's go. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Oh my God, look at how sunny it is outside. Come on. Let's go. Are you happy? Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh my God, look at how nice it is out here. Where do you want to go? All right, let's go for a walk. Where are you going? Where do you want to go? All right, let's go. Come on, you don't need my hand. Come on. All right, let's go. You're a big girl. You go by yourself. Come on. All right, come on. Come on. Okay, let's go back. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go show your mom the video. Come on. You like it out here? Vamos a traer a mami. Let's go. Uh-oh. Come on, hurry. Hurry. Emily, hurry. Let's go fast. Okay. Come on, let me open the door. Come on. Let's go. A big girl now, going out by yourself. Come on, let's go up the stairs. Uh-oh, how are you going to do that? Look, let's go up the stairs. Come on. Go one stair. Ooh, big girl. 2 stairs. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Yay! Come on, let's go. Let's go get your daddy and your mama. 9. 10. 11. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Good girl. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. All by yourself. Look at you by yourself. Oh, you're a big girl. Yay, yay. She can do it. She can do it. Look at her. Good girl. Yeah, you're doing a good job. You can do it, Emily. You can do it. You're strong. Come on, let's go. Come on. We're almost there. Yay! Yay! Clap, clap. Emily. Yay! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hurry, hurry. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry, hurry. Hurry. Let's go. you went. Show her your adventure. Okay? Now we go to 3. Did you get tired going up the stairs? A little bit? Good girl. Give your mommy a kiss. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Wait. Hold on right here. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Too late. All right, come on. I'll tell your mom where you went. Come on. Hurry up. Go. Let's go home. Show me where you live. Where do you live? Where do you live? Let's go to your house. Okay? Where do you live, Emily? Where's your house? Where is it? Show me. Oh. Yeah. Toca duro. Knock. Knock.
Voy.